Bulyado.
Take two!
Okay, take two. My name is Marvin J. Bulyado. Kung titignan nyo yung hands up sa dictionary, makikita nyo, Mike Jan Bulyado. I am the Daniel Marquez, so my motto for today is love as much as you live.
Pa! Ayun yung magician!
My name is Ryan Sixon, and my motto is that don't wait for tomorrow if you can do it for today. Bakit ko pa kailangan mag-review bukas kung may oras ka naman para mag-review ngayon?
Sabi pa niyo dati, Bobo lang nagre-review.
May motto is lang, as well.
Kalma. Nasa ano kami, mental institute. Sabi lang, kalma. Relax.
The person for the representing Mr. Mike Jan Bulyado.
Gusto niyo yun, ah?